Hello and welcome to another edition of our Winlink presentation. This time I'm going to show you our EOC dashboard, or the Emergency Operations Center dashboard. This is useful for those Winlinks volunteers that may have to volunteer for an EOC. Again, EOC, Emergency Operations Center. So as you can see, this dashboard, it's a simple dashboard actually, and you can filter by region, by call sign, city, barangay. Then we also added a filter by flood status. Here on the right, you'll see the summary metrics. Will give you the total check-ins and the EPR status. How many are green, yellow, red, and flood status. How many reported there are flood and no flood. And here at the bottom right, you'll see the map. Okay, so if you're working for an EOC and you want to use this EOC dashboard, what you'll do is create a check-in CSV file. So I already created one, so okay, I'm gonna click on choose file and look for it, and this is the one that I just made. It says Winlink messages.csv. You're gonna choose that, open, and then voila, there you go. So all the data that you uploaded on this dashboard, you'll see it on the main table. So again, I mentioned a while ago about the filter, so you can filter it by, let's say, NCR. I only want to see NCR. There you go. Right away, you'll see NCR on the table. And by the way, this is this data was taken from our Winlink check-in for the last two weeks. So you'll see the map. The one that reported on NCR, we have actually, how many is this? A number of reports, but there are duplicates to these reports. That's why you'll see here on the map, it's only 3 stations, volunteers. And the one in Tagaytay, you'll see, if you click on the icon, you'll see DB1 RMF, Ross, Tagaytay City, Asisan, Barangay Asisan, and the report was green. So on your table, you also see the color of the code that was sent out. So green for Ross, so green on the table. The next one, we'll see this one is from Andy for F1GNW, and as you can see also on the map, it's a yellow icon, and also Andrew on the table would say yellow. And here Andrew has 2 reports made, one on the 6th and another on the week of 8/13. Okay, so you can reset the filter and go back to the main, you'll see all the data in it. And again, on the map, you'll see all the reports or the locations of the volunteers that sent the report, the check-in report. Now, you can see here on some of the columns here, it says WXR comment. So this is the weather report made by the volunteer that checked in. Let's say on this first row, you'll see 4F1 Papa Uniform Zulu, see Pres Oyo from San Pablo City, Barangay Santo Cristo, and the report is here. Temperature, if it's raining, if it's windy, it's cloudy, lightning, flood right there. So flood N. So you'll see that is the flood no would have a status here under the flood no data, which says overall we have 17 that reported that there's no flood, and there's 3 that have reported that there is flood in their location where they are reporting from. Now, we added a filter by flood status. Here you can see, oh, okay, of course you want to see where those flooded areas are that has been reported by volunteers. So flood yes, and again there you are. DB1K has reported flood in Camarin Sabarte location, barangay in Caloocan. Oh no, I'm sorry, this is the street, but the barangay is 177. Okay, and you'll see on the WXR comment, flood is yes. The next one, the U3BRY says flood yes, and this is in city of San Fernando, B Mendoza Street, and in the map you'll see them too. So here's Brian in San Fernando, and in Caloocan, Kiko in Caloocan, and Tagaytay you'll see Ross reporting that there's a flood on the area. Okay, so reset the filters again, and now the summary metrics. There's a total. Green reported are 16, yellow is 7, red no real emergency reported, flood 17, again flood yes is 3 reported. So going back to the filters, it's really important that we added this because you can easily pinpoint where you wanna put all your planning or the response that you want to do in those specific areas. And let's say let me check a barangay that we can pinpoint. So San, S-A-N, I'm looking for Santo Cristo. There you go, right away you see, you click on this and right away you pinpoint the where you're looking for, what you're looking for. Let's say this is red, right? Then you can look out the area on the map. So you can, as an EOC center, you can kind of know what's going on. It's like a situational awareness using this EOC dashboard. You can easily see what's going on. And of course, thanks to all the volunteers that would report on the first check-in that they will do to the EOC center. Okay, I'm gonna reset the filter, and I guess that's it. It's only a short presentation. And again, this EOC Winlink check-in dashboard is new, and we've been using this on our exercises for the last 3 weeks now. I think it's been a month, I guess. So we're trying to check what's working and what is needed to make those work, or add some features to it that would make it easier for someone working on the EOC to get feedback from the ground, from volunteers out there doing their thing and reporting what is important to the EOC. So that's it. This is Delta Whiskey 1 IRF reporting. Salamat everyone.